Hi, I'm Tracy Wallace, and I'd like to take a couple minutes to talk to you about my I&E on-demand course, Azure Storage Management for Administrators. This course aligns with the Microsoft Certification Exam, AZ-103, which is required to attain your Microsoft Certified Azure Administrator Associate certification. What I'd like to do is take a couple minutes to tell you about the topics that I'm going to cover, that I do cover in this course. We start out talking about the basics of Azure storage. What is a storage account? What can you do with the storage account? How do you configure a storage account? And what are some of the key types of storage and what can you do with them? Both blob storage, binary large object, as well as file storage, which is really a file share. Get that, cover that, know that, and then we go into some of the tools that you can use with your Azure storage. We talk about Azure Storage Explorer, great tool. It's a free open source tool, cross-platform for managing Azure storage. We'll talk about that. We look at the Azure Sync service and what that does and how you can use that. We also look at the Azure Content Delivery Network and how we can use that to accelerate our applications, particularly if they use a lot of static files, but even if they don't and require some more dynamic acceleration. Then we also talk about ways that we can migrate data both into and out of the Azure environment. We'll take a look at import-export jobs, kind of the old faithful of data migration within Azure. And then we'll look at some of the newer capabilities, such as our physical data boxes that Microsoft will ship to you and you can put your data on and ship back. And we'll also look at things like the Data Box Edge, pretty cool new technology that really serves as a file caching system in your environment, in your on-premises environment that syncs up with the Azure environment. So these are the topics that we cover in this course, and I hope you'll join me over at ine.com to go through this on-demand course.